Kinong penyat ki Skul Sacred Heart RCLP but Sacred Heart High Secondary School Saphai West Giant Hills District kila pen urlong ban pentrai kam mi kilat jingerap na kabenta ki yeng Baduk barangli ki bamdonat ban Kyrshan Skul ya ki khon ki kti kini artli ki Skul kala pentrai kam mi kathong Initiative of the Mission Poverty Eradication hakaba kila pediang ngobha ya ki Khynnah na ki longyeng Baduk barangli ki bamla ban seu by Skul by uniform but ki wei ki jingdan kam ha Skul lengba ni kathong kinong penya ya kini ki Skul kilala ban ai jing Kyrshan ni ki Khynnah Baduk da ka jing trailang joka United Nations Sustainable Development Goals SDGs hado laipo arngut ki Khynnah ki Baduk ka jingduk jingkurdu kamdei bandong umau jinthut na kabanta kini ki Khynnah katkum ki jingthmu kinong penya kini ki Skul.
Nestled in the far western region of the Jaintia Hills, Saphai is a peaceful farming village where nearly 90% of the population are Catholics and about 95% depend on agriculture for their livelihood. Despite their hard work, poverty often limits children's access to higher education. To address this challenge, the Donbosco Shillong province, through its mission Poverty Eradication, established Sacred Heart RCLP School and Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School, Saphai. Today, the institution provides quality education to nearly 600 underprivileged students from the lower primary to the higher secondary level, allowing them to study within their own community. The school offers well-equipped classrooms, halls, playgrounds, and a nurturing environment where children can learn and grow. Beyond academics, it promotes self-reliance through agricultural initiatives, cultivating izola, mushrooms, turmeric, ginger, bananas, and cocoa. The income generated supports students by providing school fees, uniforms, books, and other educational necessities, covering nearly 70% of their educational expenses. More than an educational institution, Sacred Heart School stands as a symbol of hope and sustainable development. Through Don Bosco's vision and commitment, the school continues to transform lives, empowering children and uplifting the entire community with education, dignity, and opportunity.